Okay, I'm back again. So far we already finished 5 parts of this Lego friend set, and now very exciting. We are at the very last package of the pieces, and yeah, let's finish this. It's so exciting. Okay, so first thing first, as usual. I will just take all those to package first. Oh, come. Yikes. And here. So package 6 is also 3 piles here. It's quite a hell of pieces. We're trying to, yeah, build this Lego setup as soon as possible. I guess I really lost my patience already. It has been a while. Okay, so first thing first, let's trying to build the character here. I think what do we have at the very end? Who we left? We have Rachel, we have Ross, we have Chandler, we have Joey, we have Phoebe. Oh, so finally we are making Monica. Ooh, cute Monica. I would like to see you smile. Ha. And okay, this is your hair. Oh, very Monica. And let me find your leg. What color is your leg? It's light brown. Okay, here. And what's in your hair? Do you have like a muffin? Yeah, it looks like a muffin. This one. Is it? Though? Is this a muffin or ice cream? I'm not sure, but here we are. And Monica standing there. Okay, kick this off. Okay, what's the third one? Voila! This is it! Look how sick it is! Oh my god. I think it took me like 5.5 hours or something, but I finally finished this Central Perk Lego set. Thank you again, Sean. Thank you so much for this very, very precious and wonderful gift. And it was really like 5.5 hours fun. And I really, really believe that I can play this for so long because even though I have everything set up in the place, I can still rearrange the figures and I do have like another like an extra piano here, so we can change the mic stand to piano, and maybe I can put Ross there, because Ross play keyboard and everything. Wow, it's just really nice. It's I'm really impressed by those like tiny details here. It's like so detailed, so real, and wow, it's just amazing. Thank you again, Shang. This is really, really amazing gift. I really, really love it. And hope you enjoy the video. And yeah, that's it. Bye.